Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Asian Indices report, and today we're going to cover the CBA and the ASX 200. Now with CBA, we know that this is the low here. I won't go into the bigger picture, but this is the low at 72, and we're looking for a move to the upside. Now, I did make a bit of a mistake yesterday in that I was figuring this would be up for wave 1 and then back for wave 2, then up for wave 1, and I was thinking of an A and a B and a C back for wave 2 here, and then moving up from here. But we've got a bigger correction now, and this is fitting with European markets and US markets and our local SPY as well. So we need to look at this as still up for wave 1 or wave A or whatever, but an A and a B and a C wave here. Now, if I took wave B up here, then I still have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here to get another low here. But I wouldn't bet on that. I would rather be long on the open here and moving to the upside. So I think we've got to trade from the 73 to the 80 with being reasonably safe there. The 75 is going to cause a problem, the 76.50 is going to cause a problem, and the 78 is going to cause a problem in terms of corrections, not problems, but corrections. So we should see a move coming straight up from here. And on the ASX 200, where are we? Here we go. So just in the bigger picture here, I had this as a triangle pattern, and it could still be a triangle pattern, but I just wanted to look at something a bit different eyes in a way. So essentially the move up from this low here is corrective, and we know that that's correct. This is corrective. This is corrective because it's got overlapping wave structures, and that's why it kind of fits wave E here quite nicely. But because the CBA is already pushed up, which I just labelled wave A, in this case I would need to label this one here wave 1. So I'm thinking that we've got an A wave here, an A and a B and a C, not a very good looking wave C, and that's all debatable and all that sort of stuff. But this does pan out as 5-wave structure, and then an A and a B and a C here for wave 2. So I'm thinking that we're going to be going up here for wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. Now, that's that length there. The length of all of this move here would take us from this low up into the 5,500 here. However, I just feel that it's probably better if we just track the 5-wave structure to the upside. So that's what we're doing at the moment, and we can look at this little move up here as wave 1 and back for wave 2 here, which is already complete by the looks of it. So basically buy new highs and be looking up at, well, there's going to be problems at 5.2, of course. You know all the levels, so you know how it all works. So anyway, wave 4, we're looking for this structure to the upside here before we're rolling over. And this is the same for the European and the US market. So they're all sort of in sync. And yeah, that's the way that we're sort of looking at it. And just on the 15-minute chart here, we already have 5 waves up here. So we've got an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here. So we should push up further here. So buying long on 5,100 here would be with the way to go. And if this is wave 1 here, well, then wave 3 is going to be longer than wave 1, and I was just assuming that would get up close to the 5.2 area here, maybe group 2 here, 65, 72 and 80 in here. So definitely on the long side, as we have an impulse wave on this side here. And just on the 5-minute chart, you can see that off the low here, main point here, we've got the A wave, the B wave, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave here. So we should end up, obviously it's going to flicker around because it's on the New York close and all the rest of it at the moment, but we should see it move up higher, and yeah, support on 5100 is the long trade. Okay, so even popping its sort of head over there really, but otherwise you'll need to keep, if you go in sort of earlier on any sort of pullback here, you'll have to keep the stop under here, under this wave 1 and 2 here as such. All right, cheers.